The bird of paradise, or bird of paradise, is an exotic jewel of Papua, renowned for the male's magnificent and colorful plumage and spectacular mating rituals. These birds have long tails and narrow wings, with over 40 species found throughout the forests of Papua, Maluku, and parts of Australia. As omnivores, the bird of paradise feeds on fruits and insects, playing a vital role in seed dispersal and controlling insect populations in forest ecosystems. For Papuans, the bird of paradise holds deep spiritual significance as a messenger of the moon gods and a symbol of good, fortune, strength, and prosperity.